Today I'm going to be trying smoked boneless hearing fillets,
Fillets.
aka fish. And I'm here to introduce my friend Parker.
Hi.
And we have Gatorade just in case. I already threw up, so should be fine. Who's going first?
We're both going at the same time.
Not gonna do it at the
Okay.
same time. Go from the front.
Oh my dude.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like the fish at the Science Center. Oh my god. It smells like salted fish from the ocean.
You had to swallow it though.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Try something, Nate. How you doing, Parker?
No.
Okay. All right.
It's
Kinda
disgusting.
gross. We don't have to have any more.
No, get this away.
Okay.
Oh,
Done and
I
done.
didn't taste it.
Done.
On
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm sorry people that love this kind of stuff, but I have to go with a 3.
Ooh, even a 3? So not like a 0 or a 1. Okay.
I have to go with a 3. I mean, 3 is good. So remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye-bye.